Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through cloud deployment model, guys. So this is a unit 1 question, I think. So I'm not sure about it, but it's asked in question papers, guys. So most of you informed me. So anyway, as I was discussing about public, private and hybrid clouds in this lecture, I added this here, guys. Okay, yes. So let us start. So basically this is the diagram, you can say, guys. So in the cloud development model, we are having 4 different clouds. So the public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud and community cloud. Okay, yes. So firstly, let us go through what is this public cloud first of all. Okay, yes. So public cloud is something which is allowed or which can be used by public. So anyone can use it, guys. So it is a public cloud, you can say. So anyone can create an account, they can pay some money and they can use it. Okay, yes. Similarly, when it comes to private cloud, so it is for an organization. So let us take an example. So basically what is a public cloud, guys? The best example for, let us take Google company only. So assume that Google Drive is giving us some storage, right? It is a public cloud because everyone can create an account and they can store their files. Whereas a private cloud is nothing but, so if Google's company is storing their databases or their codes, okay, so they might have some service which we don't know. As we are not any Google employees or we don't know, right? Yes. So we don't know anyone. So they could have some service or some cloud service in which they store their daily worked code. So basically they work on some codes and all those things, right? Okay, so how normal people store in GitHubs or somewhere, so they could have their service, right? Some cloud service. So those are kind of things which are private to an organization or something comes under private cloud. Got it? Similarly, hybrid cloud. So hybrid cloud is nothing but the Google Drive could be an example. So basically their employees can also have an account of Google and they can also store their files, right? So basically hybrid is nothing but the combination, guys. Got it? Yes. And the last type is nothing but your community, right? Yes. So if the company or an organization wants a few more rules, so it don't want only public private these concepts, it want more rules. So those kind of rules can be implemented with the community, guys. Okay, yes. So anyway, just to give me a second, guys, I'll be seeing a definition for you about community. Just give me a second. Okay guys, here is the definition. So a community cloud in computing is a collaborative effort in which infrastructure of shared between several organizations for a specific community with common concerns. So basically instead of this organization and infrastructure, I just told you a company. Okay, yes. So they could even add their rules and regulations also, guys. Okay, yes. So now let us go through the differences between the public, private and hybrid, guys. Okay, yes. So basically it is a cost efficient. Okay, so again I think these also are not exact differences, guys, you can say. Okay, so public cloud is cost efficient, easy to deploy, on demand scalability. So if you want to increase, you can increase it easily, reliable and continuous uptime. So basically there will be no downtimes and zero maintenance, so you are not going to maintain it. Whereas in private, the security will be really good and the risk is really less, guys. It is reliable, agile and efficient. Okay, whereas when it comes to hybrid, it's combination, right? So it has the best qualities of both of them, that is security and safety, cost efficient, flexible and scalable, easy translation. So these are some differences or some comparisons you can say, guys. Okay, yes. So even I think in Greeks also we are having about this. Just give me a second. You can just open you the site, right? Okay, I think you can just go through it once. Okay. Okay, so just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, so here we are having the theory for these public, private and community. So you can just go through it once, guys. Anyway, I'll be sharing the link in the group, so don't worry. Okay, yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the 4th unit. So we'll be discussing about some scenarios, guys, like where the interoperability and portability plays a major role. We'll be discussing about some scenarios like how they face problems. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.